Some of you are probably wondering why I haven't uploaded any YouTube videos in so long. Well, I've actually been very busy. We've had leaks in our bathroom and leaks in another bathroom where the toilet has cracked, so that had to get replaced. Our fence was broken, so I had to repair that. And then I've just had some technical difficulties with some of the hardware and software within my house. So for instance, I was trying to do a video where I was going to compare Alta Labs against the U6 LR and TP-Link's 653, but for some reason my Alta Labs wasn't showing any of the DFS channels. So I found that really weird. I reached out to Alta Labs tech support, and after a little bit of back and forth, we discovered that Firefox was caching some of the settings and I wasn't actually able to see the DFS channels. So that got fixed. Well then, after that problem was fixed, I went to go start getting my TP-Link hardware all set up and good to go. And for some reason, TP-Link decided that the router, switches, OC controller or the OC200 controller, and the access points should all be 192.168.0.1, and obviously that's going to cause a lot of conflicts when every device thinks it has the same IP address. I got that fixed with TP-Link support, and then another issue popped up where all of a sudden I was creating VLANs to get my entire network set back up the way I liked, because we ended up factory resetting it, of course. And then VLANs weren't getting assigned, or any systems within a VLAN weren't getting assigned DHCP addresses, and we got that fixed. And then I was gonna make a VPN video, and then creating the VPN just totally failed because of some weird bugs, so I had to do some update and then roll back and then update again. And that TP-Link also helped me resolve that issue. It's been nothing but issues, so I have had no time to actually work on any content because everything I've thought about doing has had some sort of roadblock. And then recently, I also had a server who was crashing very often and was actually out of operation for 2 weeks. I finally took the time to take a look at it to figure out what's going on. There was no reports in the log files of exactly what was crashing, and for some reason the server just started working on its own without me doing anything. All I did really was take it apart, be like, yep, everything's still in here, and then I put it back in the rack, plugged it all in, and it was just working fine. So there you go. That's why I haven't made any videos. But I am, as we speak right now, testing Wi-Fi for all of these access points. I have to test every single one, run speed tests, average out the results, compile them, and then of course unplug the current access point and switch through them. And that just takes a lot of time. So just started on that and just finished the U6LR, and I'm about to move on to Alta Labs AP6 Pro. And I don't know, hopefully I'll have a video out next week for you guys that will actually be enjoyable and something to of substance that you can watch, because I know you guys have been asking for a comparison video and I am working on it. But I just want to make sure we have fair settings between all the devices. We're using the same channels, we're using the same frequencies, and we're using the same power. There's some issues there, but I'm getting there. So that's where we're at. That's where we're going to be, and video coming sometime in the future. Hopefully, I don't know, next week, like Sunday or something. I don't know. We'll see. See you all soon. Peace.